Dry shade can be a disaster zone where plants go to die, but it doesn't have to be. This is the second lesson in a 7-part series about solutions for your shade garden. Dry shade is an area of your garden that doesn't receive or hold much water. But why? Large trees and shrubs can suck the moisture from younger plants down below. Your soil sucks. Poor soil with low organic matter and no life isn't going to sustain dry shade plants. And of course, your dry shade spot isn't getting enough rainfall or irrigation. And a sloped shaded spot is going to make the struggle to hold moisture even worse. So, improve the soil in dry shade areas. Organic matter can hold up to 10 times its weight in water. To add compost, aged manures, and organic mulch. Set up irrigation or regularly water new plants in dry shade to help them establish. Don't leave them to fend for themselves, no matter how dry tolerant the label says they are. Tame that slope. Set up retaining walls or create planting pockets to hold moisture, organic matter and soil around the roots. And simply select the right plants for dry shade. More on that in a later video. You'll still need to know what sort of sunlight hits your dry shade spot for plant selection. So go back and watch video 1. And don't panic, you can create a decent garden in dry shade.